Hi everyone, this is Susan Knowles at susanknowles.com. That's SUSANKNOWLES.com. I'm coming to you today to announce an upcoming Spreecast forum. It's a forum that will be going on tomorrow night, which is Thursday, March 27th at 6 o'clock Pacific Time, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We are honored to have as a guest Michael Donnelly, and he is the Director of International Relations at hslda.org, and he's also the spokesperson for parentalrights.org. You may have heard them mention this morning on the Glenn Beck radio program in regards to trying to get an amendment with the United States Constitution that will ensure parental rights, and so that what happened to Justina Pelletier will never happen again to another family. And there's a possibility that in passing this amendment, it will also help Justina. But this is a forum that he has agreed to have with us tomorrow. I am so grateful that he is coming. It's a very much last minute notification that I'm getting out to you because it just happened today. So I'm asking you to go to my website again at susanknowles.com, and you'll see the lead story there in regards to the interview with Michael Donnelly. I'd ask you to go there, click on the link to the Spreecast, and go ahead and RSVP and invite everybody that you know to be at that forum. It's an extremely important forum. Again, he's going to talk about Free Justina, going to talk about homeschooling, Common Core, parental rights, just the whole gamut. So whatever questions that you may have, please come and have them answered. And I would ask that you sign up, get a username and password at Spreecast.com before the forum, so that way if you'd like to be on camera, you can, and then you can submit questions as we go through the forum. I also want to give you an update today on the Glenn Beck Show, hosted today by Buck Sexton. We had Justina Pelletier's dad, Lou Pelletier, and his daughter and Justina's sister, Jennifer Pelletier, along with the attorney Matt Staver, speaking about what's going on in this case. Now, as you may know, yesterday the judge granted permanent custody to DCF, basically, but it's to the court. And what that means is that until a hearing scheduled for May, nothing is going to happen in regards to Justina's custody, but that it is with the court system. So that's not good news. And today Lou was talking about some things of what can be done. He asked everybody to go to freejustina.com. Some of the things that were brought out was that, and you may know this already, that the attorney is going to file an appeal and also going to try to bring some action in federal court in order to get this case removed from this judge, who obviously is, according to Matt Staver, was the first written order that this judge has made in over 14 months. And I encourage you to go and read my articles on DCF, read my articles on Judge Johnston, and just read my articles all about this case so that you get a good feel for what is going on and the underlying connections that aren't being brought out in the news, but I have reported on them. You can see everybody's intertwined to some degree, and I say everybody. I don't know about the judge because I don't want to, say anything about him that I don't know. But in looking at some of the information that I've received, some people that are sort of intertwined with DCF and most likely Boston Children's Hospital. So I'll leave that to you to go and look at. And I'm hoping that they are successful in federal court. As we all know, looking at this case, Justina has an IEP, that's an individualized education plan, that specifies what must be done in regards to her education, and according to the news, she's had no education for the past year and a half, almost 2 years. So they're in violation of that. Probably in violation of her First Amendment rights. We know, as Mr. Pelletier has talked about, she has not been able to have some of her religious rights given to her, and those have been taken away from her. So there's just a myriad of things that can be discussed in that federal court issue that Matt Staver is bringing. So again, I really wanted to just talk to you, give you a brief update on Free Justina. Want to encourage you to go to that forum, hear Michael Donnelly speak. This is, again, a real honor and a privilege. They don't give interviews often, and they really don't give interviews to bloggers. So we need to make a great showing, get everybody there so that we can continue to have forums like this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at susan@susanknowles.com. Again, that's susan@susanknowles.com. Hope to talk to you soon, and hope to see you tomorrow night at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time at our Spreecast Forum with Michael Donnelly. Thanks so much and have a great day.